Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Akash with me today. Smashed his PTE exam, 8 each in PTE, and he has got 85 in listening, one of the section you are struggling in, Akash. 83 in writing, 86 in reading, and 79 in speaking. A great score. Congratulations. Let's start this way. When you came here, especially in your listening, you were sitting on 55, right?
Yeah.
And this time you have scored 85. That's almost 30 points increase, and that is something very great to say and see. And this is not something we see, regularly too often. What helped you in particular in listening, which help you, to get this score? Because there are a lot of students out there, they are only missing in listening section. They are getting 90 in each and every other section, but they are not really sure what the reason is. What helped you to get your score in listening?
Yeah, so first of all, I want to thank Varun, and this is the place, if you are aiming for 7 each or 8 each or whatever the desired score you are looking for, this is the place and this is the guy, So, yeah, and I was really struggling with the listening at the very beginning. When I came here, I was standing on 55 or something. My right from dictation was very weak, and summarized spoken test, it was also weak. They have a right team, they always give you feedback, and he told me that, you need to use these kind of tricks and this kind of techniques to get your score. Plus he gave me the summarized spoken text template, which I've used in my exam, and I've got, I think, 19 vocab and 19 written discourses. So yeah, it helped me a lot.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. So it's not only about me, Akash, it's more about you and the whole team over here, because whenever I was not even here, you used to come here regularly, more than me. You were in the lab, and you used to get feedback from each and every team member. They used to tell me. And one thing which you pointed out, guys, summarized spoken text template, as I've pointed out in few of my other videos as well, if you are missing out in listening or writing, that is the thing for you. We have tried that, and yes, you have used the same in your exam in each and every summary, and you have got 85 in listening. That is something you need to use, because if students try to write summary by themselves, there are a lot of chances you may miss out major keywords or grammatical errors may be there. So if you're using the template, you are certain that yes, I just need to put in the keywords and I have done my job.
Yeah, like summarized spoken text, the template is designed that way that it covers all the vocab, grammatical, everything, and then you just need to put the keywords and you're good to go.
Yeah, that's right. Because if that is one of the things which a lot of students do stress about, and if that is solved, you will be able to focus on other areas like reading blanks and dictations, and you will be able to perform better on those as well. Let's talk about your reading as well. 83 in reading. For reading, I remember you used to do a lot of mock tests. I even used to stop you, don't take the mock test, just practice first. But yes, you have done a number of mock tests. You were regular to the lab sessions. You have taken a lot of mock tests. How important are lab sessions and mock tests to get the desired score?
It's really good. Reading, that was the only thing I was worried about. Even right before the exam, I was worried about my reading part. And yes, of course, when you are in the lab, there will be always somebody to help you out. You just need to raise your hand, and they will be there, and they will just give you your feedback or whatever the thing you need to improve. So that helped me a lot. Plus all the mock tests, regular mock tests, they have organized every Sunday. There is a mock test. So if you are attempting all those mock tests, you'll get the feedback on Monday, Tuesday, and you will understand where you are lacking and where you need to improve. So that's the important thing, I think.
That's right, guys. Very important. Where you stand, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths, and that is how you will improve. Because if you just do the mock test, you're not getting any feedback, that's fine. You can sit at home, do the same thing.
Yeah.
But if you are not getting the feedback, if you do not know what are the things you need to work on, you won't improve. Very important and good point. Feedback is very important. Akash, let's wrap it off. Any advice for students who are taking the exam again and again? We get a lot of students taking the exam even 30 times, and that is depressing. Any advice for them, please?
Yeah, so look, what I'm saying, I've seen a lot of, even my friends, they have attempted this exam 10 times, 15 times. But what you need to do is if you are not getting any feedback around it, you will not understand where you need to improve. So join this place and you'll understand it. They will give you feedback. So you just need to work on those areas like where you're lacking. So that's the thing, consistency and practice, and they will always motivate you.
That's right, Akash. Again, it's more about the student. If you are getting the feedback, you have to implement the strategies on that particular feedback and improve on those particular tasks, and you will be good to go, guys. Remember this thing, PT is all about feedback. If you are not getting the feedback, you will not be following the right direction, and if your direction isn't correct, you will do the same mistake. What happens? A lot of times students take the exam multiple times. Once they get the result today, they'll book the exam for next week itself. But remember this thing, if you're giving the same thing again to the computer or the system, they will give you the same score back. So if you're not getting the score continuously, you need to make some changes and then attempt and give something different to the computer or the system, and that's how you will get your score. All the very best, guys. Be consistent, keep on practicing, believe in yourself, and you will do it. Thanks, guys.